Hello everyone. So how to install Epic Reading app on iPhone? So yeah, just go to App Store. So here's App Store app, and then type search. Go to search tab in bottom right and type Epic, and there you have it. So this is an app to help kids read and audiobooks, quizzes, videos. So these are basically kids books and videos. So yeah, then just tap on get, and you will need to confirm the download either with your Touch ID or Face ID or with your password. So that's about that. After that, you will need to wait for some period, depending on your Wi-Fi connection, for this app to download. So you can see the download progress here. So okay, just bear with me guys, it's almost there. After the app is downloaded, you will see instead of this icon, you will see open button. So you will select a button which says open, and then you will need to tap on that button, and the app will appear on your screen. Yeah, if you also just tap on this on this download progress, then it will be paused. So something like that. If you also go here, you will see the progress here installing, and you will see where the app is installed. So anyways, so that's basically how it works. So yeah, hope it was helpful.